Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Smart English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Lena. Today we're talking about something we get asked a lot. How to talk to girls in English if you're a beginner.
This is not about fancy pickup lines. It's about starting friendly, polite conversations so you can practice English and feel confident.
We'll show you simple sentences you can copy and practice. By the end, you'll have a mini toolkit for real life.
The first step is always a simple greeting. Just say hi, hello, or hey, how are you?
You don't need to be nervous. Smile a little, keep your voice clear, and look at the person, not the ground.
Example. Hi, my name's Rahul. How's your day?
Or, hello, I think we're in the same class. How are you?
Even good morning or good afternoon works in a park, cafe, or library.
The goal is just to open the door for a chat. Don't try to be funny or cool right away.
After you say hello, you can give a small, polite compliment.
Something neutral, not about someone's body or appearance. Safer topics are clothes, books, music, or something they're holding.
For example, I like your bag. That's a nice phone case. Cool shoes.
Or, that's an interesting book. Is it good?
Keep it to one line. Smile, then pause so the other person can answer.
A small compliment shows you're friendly and paying attention, not just talking for no reason.
Questions help the other person speak, and that takes pressure off you. When you ask a question, the conversation becomes easier because you don't have to talk the whole time.
Start with easy, light questions. Nothing personal. Nothing that could make the other person uncomfortable. The goal is to keep it simple and friendly.
Some examples are, do you study here? Are you waiting for the bus too? Is this your first time at this event?
These questions are great because the answers are usually short. Often it's just yes or no and then maybe one extra detail. That gives you something to reply to.
You can also ask questions that start with how or what. For example, how's the class going? What music do you like? How do you like this place?
Don't rush through questions. Ask one at a time and wait for the answer. Give the other person time to talk.
Mini example. Do you study here?
Yes, I do. I'm in the second year.
Oh, cool. What are you studying?
See how just one small question can lead to more conversation naturally?
Paul. Remember, asking questions is also a way to show interest in the other person. Keep your tone friendly, not like an interview. Listening is just as important as speaking. When she answers your questions, give her your attention. Look at her, nod, and smile when appropriate.
You can use short replies to show you're listening. Words like, really? Wow, that's cool. That sounds fun.
These are called back-channel phrases. They keep the conversation alive and let the other person know you're interested.
Mini example, I'm reading a mystery book.
Oh, mystery books. That's cool. Do you like them a lot?
Yes, I love mysteries. I can't put them down.
Nice! Who's your favorite author? Even a small reaction can lead to the next question. That's how conversations grow naturally.
These reactions also give you time to think of your next sentence. Don't worry if you pause for a second. A little pause is fine.
Always stay calm and remember, listening is more than just hearing words. Show that you care about what she's saying. Smile, nod, and sometimes laugh if the comment is funny. If you only ask questions, it can feel like an interview. The other person may get bored. So, it's important to share a little about yourself too.
Keep your sentences short and simple. You can talk about your hobbies, what you're learning, or something about your day. For example, I'm also learning English. I love this park. I come here every weekend. I'm new in town, so I'm trying to meet new people.
Mini example.
I like playing badminton.
Oh, really? I like badminton too. I play every Saturday.
Linking your answer to what she said makes it feel like a two-sided conversation. It's not just about asking or telling, it's about sharing.
Even if your English isn't perfect, short, clear sentences work well. You're not giving a speech. You just want the other person to know a little about you.
Another mini example. I'm studying science.
Oh, cool. I'm studying business. Science is really interesting, though. By sharing a bit about yourself, you also give her a chance to ask you something in return. That keeps the conversation flowing. Sometimes you need to end the conversation, or it naturally comes to a pause. Always do it politely.
You can say things like, "It was nice talking to you. I have to go now, but hope to see you again. Enjoy the rest of your day."
Friendly endings leave a good impression. Even if you're nervous, a polite goodbye shows respect and confidence.
Mini dialogue example.
It was great chatting. I have to catch my bus now.
Sure, see you later.
See you. Have a nice day. Another example. I need to leave, but I really enjoyed talking to you.
Me too.
Great. Maybe we can talk again sometime.
Ending politely also keeps the door open for future conversations. Even if the chat was short, finishing nicely makes people remember you in a positive way.
All of this gets easier with practice. Don't wait until you meet someone you like. Start practicing today with friends, classmates, or even shop staff.
You can practice greetings, compliments, questions, reactions, and goodbyes. Repeat them until they feel natural.
Try speaking in front of a mirror or record your voice. Listen to yourself and correct small mistakes.
Make little scripts: greeting, compliment, question, reaction, goodbye. Practice each part separately, then combine them.
Mini example of a full mini script. Hi, how are you? I like your bag. Do you study here? Really, that's cool. I'm also learning English. It was nice talking to you. See you.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them, and people will still understand you. The goal is communication, not perfection.
The important thing is to be polite, friendly, and clear. Smile and relax. Confidence comes with practice.
Thanks for watching Talk Smart English. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.